What are you talking about? Nothing. I'm talking about, the loneliness people in the world. Luffy. Magic sarap ka ba? Luffy, tawan-tawan patiti. Really? Nothing. Luffy, magic sarap ka ba? Are you lonely? Yup. Ano yup? Nakakairito na. Isa pa. Yan na, kunwari, Luffy, magic sarap ka ba? Kunwari, nag-reply ka na ng bakit? Kasi, ang sarap mo. Ayun ba? Hindi ko lang tama yun. Masay na yun. Ayun ba? Mag-iisip ba? Kasi, wait lang. Kasi kapag nilalahok ka sa putahe ko, mas lalong sumasarap. Masarap ilong? Na Michael, hi. Kasi ang sarap mo ilahok sa monay ko. Uy, joke lang, maka-allergy ka sa ganyan si Luffy. Joke lang, Luffy. Luffy Zia. Maka-allergy sa ganyan si I do stalk your account because I saw you on the other stream. Like that, and nothing. They're just talking with you, and you answer so fast. You talk with sense like that. So I accidentally visit your profile, and then I get shocked because I don't know what's the name of that host, but I just suddenly get shocked because you already followed me, so I followed you back too. You're just talking with them. They're just saying I don't remember, but have. I just didn't remember her name. Yeah. Hi everyone. Nagpapatawa si Eka. Tangina mo, butiti! Ay, nakapas. Ipunin mo na lang yan. Huwag nga kayo, mag-ipon nga kayo ng papasko nyo sa akin. Mag-ipon kayo ng papasko nyo sa akin. Huwag kayong drop ng drop dyan. Where are you from? Philippines, Laguna, near at Manila, like 30 minutes away. Thank you so much. Ano gusto mo pamasko? Wala nga. Actually, wala. Oh, cool. When you visit Philippines, you should try to go here at Laguna or at Batangas. I grew up in... Oh, so you know how to speak Tagalog pala. Really? It's near at, I think, Alabang. It's really near at Alabang. Ako pag nakita sayaw mo sa Touch by Touch yung Pass. Nakita na ako ni Luffy sumayaw. Diyos ko, sabi nga ni Luffy, wala daw kwenta. Napaalis na lang siya. Yap, tae na oh. Yung PZ, alam ba, I thought na, wo I need. Thank you so much. Ziwi, hi. Hala. Tapos, na-stalk kita. Gawa ng, parang, kinakausap ka ng host, tas you talk with sense. Hindi yung nonsense ba? Wala lang, na-amaze lang ako sa ganun. Hindi yung kumain ka na, kainin kita. Ganyan, ayoko ng ganun. Yes. A for airport na. Tang-ina. That's good. Ay, Suga. Thank you. Wow. You're so generous naman. Wow. You have 79 diamonds. And I got 10. Wow. Thank you. I'm just true to myself. That's good. Kobe, hi. Actually, sakit. Actually, wala akong gusto mong papasko, guys. Wala naman. Pag may gusto ko, it's either pinag-isipan ko muna or binibili ko na ganun. Paulit-ulit siya. I don't know why.
Help unlock your child's amazing development with Nankids Infinite Pro H8, the only one with Synergy.
For some reason I can't. everyone! May nag-comment sa akin, may nag-chat kayo na sabi, ilang sisi, huy, walang peke. Kasi lambot yan ng bulak. Can you see it? No, guys, I can't. Ang sakit ng ano kong. Pag pagod tong dito ko, nire-rest ko lang siya. Pero pwede naman kung gusto mo.
I swear I used to know. Familiar steps, but they felt brand new.
That's good, not fake. Excuse me! Burago!
A fleeting spark,
Excuse me!
a stolen glance. Closer,
You're pretty. Thank you, you're busy. Gutom atain na kayo. Patay kayo dyan, kay Butipi. Ano? Sweetheart. Hi, everyone. Sorry po, can't tell the difference. Not used to it. Aww. You should be open with us. Here on my stream, you should be open. Nothing wrong, nothing correct. Just wait. Yes. Kahit ano pa yung sabihin nyo, wala kaming judge. Hi, Sam.
tell your friends it was nice to meet them.
Okay po. Huy, I'm just only 22. Ano ka ba?
But I hope I
Feeling ko ang
never
old
see
ko na eh.
again.
ID number, hi.
I know it breaks your heart. You moved to the city and I broke down. I ran for years.
Don't worry, guys.
You're looking pretty and I'm
Excuse me? Tingnan mo kahit kita niya na. Ang kapal mo. Meron bang ganyan? Tayo nung...
I can't stop.
You look fine. Natara. Tayo na kayo. Ay! Thank you so much. Guys, seryoso, Diyos ko, 22 pa lang ako. Hindi ko naman yan ipapapeke. Kontento na ako dyan.
Your shoulder
Hi, Josh. Hi, everyone.
of them
You look so proud.
you saw
Huwag niyo lang sabihan, Peke. Hindi naman yan naka-proud-proud.
from your room.
Parang nakita ko yung FB mo. Follow kita. Hi, Thor. Juicy. Hi, Moves. Anong name? PM mo sa akin. That's good. Touch it na po. Kasi naman. Okay, I will not. Sorry. Okay.